Assalamualaikum students. Today we will discuss about the new chapter of our physics, that is human eye and the colorful world. आप लोगों ने लाइट पढ़ी है. लाइट हमारा पहला चैप्टर है और लाइट के बाद जो हमारा सेकंड चैप्टर है फिजिक्स में, दैट इज ह्यूमन आई. दिस ह्यूमन आई, as you know, it's a gift of Almighty Allah. It acts as a camera for the human beings. This human eye is used to see the colorful world, or we can see different objects, colored objects around us by the help of this optical device, that is human eye. So human eye is a natural optical device which is gifted to the human being by the Almighty Allah. So first of all, in this chapter we will discuss about the working and construction of the human eye, structure and working of human eye. So first of all we will discuss about structure of human eye. आज हम human eye की structure पढ़ेंगे. Dear students, this human eye, it consists of different parts. We will explain these parts one by one. So the main parts of the human eye are as पहला ही जो पार्ट है दैट इज नोन एज द कॉर्निया. सेकेंड पार्ट इज द आइरिस. थर्ड पार्ट इज द प्यूपिल. फोर्थ पार्ट इज रेटिना. फिफ्थ पार्ट इज द सीलरी मसल्स and sixth part is eye lens. Dear students, let us now construct the structure of the human eye. I will here draw the rough diagram of this human eye. You can here check it. This is the outermost bulging out part. This outermost bulging out part of the human eye is known as cornea. This cornea is then connected to the back part, spherical part. It's a screen like part. This part is known as retina, and beside this cornea there is another part. It's known as iris. This iris contains a small hole that acts as pupil, and inside the pupil there is a lens. It's a convex lens. This convex lens is known as eye lens. It is connected to the two muscles. Those muscles are known as ciliary muscles. Now we will discuss about the different parts of this human eye one by one. Human eye का जो पहला ही part, it is cornea. Cornea जो है, it is the outermost part of the human eye. This outermost part, जो बाहर वाला हिस्सा होता है, it is bulging out. ये outside होता है, इसकी जैसे कोई bulging out part है, उस मतलब जैसे इसका कुछ बाहर निकला हुआ है पार्ट, spherical part है. This bulging out part is known as cornea. ये cornea actually thin membrane होता है. It's a thin membrane. It is transparent in nature. And it is bulging out. जो बाहर की तरफ निकला हुआ है, bulging out part. This cornea जो है, इसके अंदर एक colored diaphragm होता है, एक पर्दा जैसा होता है colored. That colored diaphragm which is inside this cornea is known as iris. So iris is a colored diaphragm inside the cornea. ये आयरस जो होता है, इसका कलर डिफरेंट होता है. किसी में ब्लैक होगा, किसी में ब्लू होगा, किसी में थोड़ा सा ब्राउन होगा, किसी में थोड़ा सा ग्रीन होगा. सो दिस cornea has different colors. Inside the cornea there is a small hole. This small hole is known as pupil. This pupil is the small hole inside the cornea, inside the iris. This pupil absorbs most of the light which falls on it. Pupil पे जितनी भी light जितनी लाइट फॉल होती है उसका मेजर पोर्शन जो है 90% पोर्शन प्यूपिल एब्जॉर्ब करता है। दैट इज वाई अगर आप अपनी आई में देखोगे वहां एक अंदर एक ब्लैक डॉट जैसा होगा, वो एक्चुअली डॉट नहीं, वो एक्चुअली होल है, बट दैट अपीयर्स ब्लैक बिकॉज इट इज अ बेस्ट एब्जॉर्बर। ये एब्जॉर्ब करता है तभी ये ब्लैक होता है। सो दिस होल ब्लैक होल इनसाइड द iris is known as pupil. This pupil controls the amount of light entering into the eye. इस pupil के बाद एक convex lens होती है अंदर, और जो ये convex lens अंदर होती है, this convex lens is known as eye lens. So eye lens is convex in nature. This eye lens is flexible lens. It can be stretched, its size can be changed by the action of a muscle. That muscle is known as ciliary muscle. ये हमारी ciliary muscle है. So ciliary muscles are used to change the focal length. They use it to change, ciliary muscles are the muscle used to change focal length of eye lens. They actually hold the eye lens at its position. इन्हीं की वजह से eye lens अपनी जगह पे बंद है. And at the end of this human eye, there is another screen-like part. This screen-like part is known as retina. So this is the light-sensitive screen. So retina is the light-sensitive screen, which is present at the end of the eye. It is the last part of the human eye. It is behind the eye lens. This retina is actually made up of light-sensitive cells known as rods and cones. These are the light sensitive cells. Rods and cones are light sensitive cells. Between this eye lens and this retina, there is a space. This free space is known as the vitreous humor. And between this cornea and this eye lens, there is also another space. That space is known as aqueous humor. At the end of the human eye, there is a nerve. This nerve is known as optic nerve. This is present at the end of the human eye. In the retina, there is a nerve. This is known as optic nerve. This optic nerve transports the messages of the human eye, transport the electric message which are formed at the retina, transfers this message to the brain for visualization. वो हम आगे वर्किंग में पढ़ेंगे, बट जो यहाँ पे ये नर्व होती है, इस नर्व को हम ऑप्टिक नर्व बोलते हैं. एट द ऑप्टिक नर्व यहाँ पे जो है, यहाँ पे एक फ्री स्पेस है, यहाँ पे रेटिना नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे रॉड्स और कून्स नहीं है, यहाँ पे इमेज नहीं बनती है. सो दिस स्पॉट where of the retina where optic nerve emerges, this spot is known as black spot. और रेटिना जो है, इट इज मेड ऑफ रॉड्स एंड कून्स एंड इट इज द स्क्रीन ऑफ द ह्यूमन आई, एंड इमेज जो है दैट इज फॉर्मड ऑन द रेटिना. सो रेटिना जो है यहाँ पे इमेज बनती है, इमेज इज फॉर्मड ऑन रेटिना. सो दिस वाज अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द ह्यूमन आई. कल हम अब ह्यूमन आई की वर्किंग पढ़ेंगे कि कैसे ह्यूमन आई पे इमेजेस बनते हैं, कैसे एक इंसान डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स को देख पाता है, कैसे हमारे रेटिना पे इमेजेस बन जाती है. सो वो हम अब कल पढ़ेंगे इन द वर्किंग ऑफ द ह्यूमन आई. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.